Ever wonder how your phone flips a photo or a game character moves across the screen? Today we learn the math behind it. Matrix transformations. A transformation moves a point to a new position. A matrix is a grid of numbers that tells us how to move each point. We multiply them together. To transform point x, y, we multiply. The new x-coordinate is a times x plus b times y. The new y-coordinate is c times x plus d times y. When we transform a shape, we apply the same matrix to every corner point. The whole shape moves, stretches, or rotates together. Let's see examples. Example 1. Transform point 3, 2 using this matrix. New x equals 1 times 3 plus 0 times 2, that's 3. New y equals 0 times 3 minus 1 times 2, that's negative 2. The point moved from 3, 2 to 3, negative 2. Notice it flipped across the x-axis. This matrix is a reflection. Example 2. We have a square. Let's transform corner 2, 0 using this matrix. New x equals 2 times 2 plus 0 times 0, that's 4. New y equals 0 times 2 plus 2 times 0, that's 0. After transforming all corners, the square doubles in size. This matrix enlarges shapes by scale factor 2 from the origin. Every coordinate doubles. Common mistake: students multiply in wrong order. Remember, matrix row times point column. First row gives new x, second row gives new y. Get the order right. Summary: multiply matrix times point to get new point. First row gives new x coordinate, second row gives new y coordinate. Always row times column order. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more math lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com to practice more transformation questions. See you next time.